was born in Sitaramapuram village of Machilipatnam, a city in Andhra Pradesh. He was born poor. His family earned their livings through farming. When he was born, then there occurred tragedy in that family because he was born blind. And you know what that means in a society like ours? Neighbors in the village advised his mother and father to let him die. It was better than the pain they would have to go through their lifetime, some said. He is a useless baby without eyes. Being born blind is a sin, others added. His parents may be poor financially, but they were rich in heart. They did not hear any of the advice they received and raised him with love and affection. He was growing big. His parents joined him in school. He had to make his way to school mostly on foot. He did this for 2 years. No one acknowledged his presence in the school. He was pushed to the back bench and not allowed to play. He could not participate in the PT class. He felt sad. It was not because of lack of money, but because of his loneliness. His father then decided that he might study well. When his father realized that the child was not learning anything, he admitted him to a special needs school in Hyderabad. His parents focused on his education, and through their support he began breaking down every barrier put in his path. He cleared the Andhra Pradesh Class 10 State Board exams with over 90% marks. But the board said he could only take arts subjects after that. But none of this mattered much because he was denied admission to the science stream in class 11 because of his disability. Having been denied the opportunity, he decided to fight for it. He sued the government and fought for 6 months. In the end, he got a government order that said he could take the science subjects but at his own risk. He worked day and night to complete the course and managed to secure 98% in the 12th board exams. And next, he applied for IIT and other top engineering colleges, but did not get any hall ticket. He did his homework searching the internet to find the best engineering program for someone like himself. He applied to schools in the US and got into the top 4. But he went on to become the first international blind student to be admitted into the prestigious MIT in the US. Towards the end of his bachelor's course, when the what next question came up, it brought him back to where he had started. He decided to give up the golden opportunity in corporate America and came back to India to make development here. He is Shrikant Bola, who founded Bolant Industries in Hyderabad. The annual turnover is more than 80 crores. His company has more than 20 branches. He did not become a burden to anyone, but he helped about 3,000 students in acquiring free education and provided employment to several hundred people with disabilities through his company. Sometimes in life, we all complain that the world is not fair, we are not getting what we want, none is supporting me, I don't have any opportunities and much more. But the few who work without giving up or complaining always ends up in living their dream. To dream big is always important, but a single step towards it makes the change. Be the change today.